Hi there, I'm Vlad. In this video, I'm gonna show how to deploy a Laravel project on a shared hosting. So, let's see what you have to prepare. I've already installed a new copy of the Laravel on my local machine, on my local server, and as you can see, everything is working. So now, let's open the project in the text editor. Let's have a look at the configuration file. As you can see, nothing has been changed here, so we have the default values. Now, in your root directory, you have to create a new file, the file .htaccess. This file has only 2 lines, and we're gonna need this file on hosting. The purpose of this file is to redirect all queries from your root directory to your public directory of your project. Now open the vendor directory, then composer directory, and select the file platformcheck.php. Now in this file, we have to set the PHP version for our project. If you open this file for the first time, you will see something like this. Here we have our PHP version is equal to 8.0.2. Now we have to move to our hosting and see and check out what version of the PHP we can select on our hosting. So we are on our hosting, and I've already opened the PHP version selector. So here we have to select the domain or the subdomain for our project. I've already created the subdomain. Here it is, deploy.getAside.info, and PHP version here is 8.0. This version is okay for our project, but if you have here, for example, 7.3 or 7 or something like that, click the link update and select the appropriate version here. So we can select 8.0 or 8.1. So let's stick with 8.0. Now get back to our file platformcheck.php, and finally let's set the PHP version. So we set PHP version as 8.0. So everything is okay, and now we can move to our next step. So to upload your project on hosting, you have to create the zip archive containing your project. I've already created one, here it is, and now let's upload the file on hosting. Open your file manager and open the folder for your project. In our case, it's deploy.getAside.info. Click upload, drop our archive here. Okay, back to our folder, and now let's extract all the files. Extracting, open the folder and copy all these files. Now let's move these files to the root directory. Click move. Okay, the root directory, move files. Now, as you can see, all the files are in the root directory. Now we can try to check if everything is working. Refresh the page, and as you can see, everything is okay and our project is online. So now you know how to deploy a Laravel project on a hosting. Thanks for watching.